Hey folks, Mansoor Sohail from My Learning Center welcomes you. In this presentation, we're going to talk about the ultimate guide to safeguarding your assets in a recession. So hello there, savvy investors. So you have heard whispers of a recession looming, and you want to know the best way to protect your assets. Well, you have come to the right place. Let's dive into the ultimate game plan for safeguarding your hard-earned money and making sure you come out on top, no matter what the economy throws your way. Number one, remember, diversify, diversify, and diversify. You know what they say? Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Mixing up your investments across various asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and cash, helps minimize risk and keeps your portfolio healthy. With a well-diversified investment spread, you will be ready to tackle any economic challenge head-on. Number two, lean into quality. When the going gets tough, it's time to focus on the best of the best. Invest in high-quality assets like blue-chip stocks, government bonds, and established real estate properties. These investments have a history of standing strong during recessions, making them the perfect choice for keeping your wealth intact. Number three, remember, cash is king. In times of uncertainty, cash is your best friend. Having a solid emergency fund stashed away in a high-yield savings account or money market fund means you will be prepared for any unexpected expenses that come your way. Plus, a cash cushion gives you the flexibility to invest in new opportunities when the market starts to recover. Number four, stay on top of your portfolio. Just like a well-tended garden, your investment portfolio needs regular care and attention. Keep an eye on your asset allocation and adjust it as needed to maintain your desired level of diversification and risk tolerance. Staying proactive will ensure that you are always in control of your financial future. Finally, number five, keep calm and carry on. Here is the secret to weathering a recession. Stay focused on your long-term goals and don't let short-term market fluctuations get the best of you. By keeping your eye on the price and sticking to your investment strategy, you will be able to navigate any economic storm with confidence. So here's the conclusion, folks. So here you have it, the ultimate guide to protecting your assets during a recession. By following these steps, you will be well on your way to securing your financial future, no matter what challenges the economy throws your way. Remember, every storm eventually passes, and with the right approach, you will be in the perfect position to seize new opportunities when the skies clear. Happy investing. Click the link given in description to download your complimentary mini course to understand the basics. Thank you.